So I'm glad to see
Yep.
the is recovering. But again, this always goes back to staying the course, having a good strategy and a good plan, and not being shaken by news headlines from CNBC or things you read on Twitter just because everybody's running around saying that, the sky is falling, the sky is falling. And one
Yeah, I
thing,
saw a trader on Twitter say basically his principle that he follows is never sell on Monday. Thought that was pretty funny.
yeah, yeah. But some of your high growth names today, you look at Nvidia, Tesla, yeah, they're down. Nothing really to worry about. Look at Apple, um, down a little bit. Nothing too big. And then Amazon. Let's see, Amazon barely down, barely down.
Flat,
Prob-
basically.
Yeah, probably moving towards being up on the day. Um, so yeah,
Yeah, that's wild. So we've got basically basically your sectors that are struggling today: industrials, financial, consumer, cyclical, and tech. All the other sectors are positive. You've got energy leading the pack, and then healthcare and communication following that. So it's very interesting. The other thing you had happen last week, which was also interesting, is that we saw the largest weekly inflow in 2 years last week, $8 billion inflow into the markets
mm,
over the last week period. So this is not indicative of uh, traders or analysts that are concerned about uh, the market position and where we're at. That's that's a vote of confidence, I would say, because you do have, we've talked about it before too, you do have a lot of cash on the sidelines, and so I would expect to see more and more over time of us hitting that metric of large weekly inflows. So we'll see how that works out. And maybe things like this are the catalyst to where they get a dip and they push it in, and it has this effect where it kind of brings the market back up. So, you know, the bottom line is we just wanted to talk about it just because it's kind of happening at the moment.